Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And that is Corvette which I got to assemble all front end. You can see on the right side fully there is some parts, like a lot of parts to do to assemble and need some times, but I can do it, you know, I can do it. So stay with me, subscribe, and I know you don't want to miss how this beast goes to the road, you know. Follow me, boom. And now it's first thing and like most easy is change this support and its line. You can see this broken right here. So let's start. Next problem here, this coolant pipe, or how it's called. I need to replace this. I got from donor car this, and just replace. Wink. My goal right now is just make good gaps on this right side, this door, two fenders, hood and the bumper. So look at this, guys, that's almost done. This side, door, quarter panel, rock panel, fender, headlights, bumper, another fender, and I have just left headlights, only broken one, yeah, but for gaps it's not bad. So something like that. Now I need pull out bumper and just take off all this plastic. So guys, I'm finally done. Look at this. Not bad gaps. Here. Here's everything done. Like not everything, but good. Also this door empty inside, and that's the reason why I pull it off everything, because it's ultra flooded. Look how it's bad, everything inside. Love you all, subscribe me and like, comment, bye.